How to fix can't log into Roblox account problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Sometimes the server of Roblox might have been down. So in that case, you can do nothing but wait for the server to fix itself. Next, go to Play Store and then simply search for Roblox. After that, see if there is an update button instead of play button. If there is an update button, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version of Roblox. Next, this problem might have been occurring due to your internet connection. If you have a poor internet connection, make sure you get connected to a stable one. Go to settings, go to connections, and then enable flight mode for few seconds. Turn it off and then turn on your Wi-Fi again. Now your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.